something. He lied to me about his age. He
lied.
lied 4 years younger.
Because
even younger.
I didn't know na what was her age.
Yeah.
Even I couldn't talk to anyone about. God, of course. I was thinking अभी किसको बोलूँगा बोले या झूठ बोल रहे हैं.
Both of us were crying, and we were behind the parda, so none of us knew that we were crying. Okay, so here's
She's getting what? I knew she would cry.
yeah.
Who proposed?
Of course I proposed.
Thank God. मुझसे शादी करोगी. The moment I said करोगी,
And I got the best time because I removed the ring
yeah,
from my pocket.
he's on his knee by then.
How nice. Listen, this is perfect. He's the calm to her storm. She's the fire to his eyes. Together, they make a perfect couple. Welcoming Gauahar Khan and Zaid Darbar only on Chemistry 101. So welcome, thank you. First of all, I love both of you. And last time also I met you, I told you this, that I think your wedding was the only thing that was like, वो होता है ना कि लॉकडाउन में सबसे अच्छा चीज क्या था? It was your wedding. I think everybody was so happy. Everybody was like smiling. Yeah. But do you remember the first time you met? Where did you meet? Like, when was it? Do you remember dates?
It was not when.
It was now. So we actually didn't meet first. He spotted me, and you wanna बताना?
नहीं आती.
तो कोविड का टाइम था और as usual कुछ महीनों बाद जब बोर्ड परमिशन मिली थी कि okay you can go out and get your groceries or whatever. And we went to this superstore. उसका नाम नहीं लेंगे.
She was there.
हाँ मतलब.
It happened in a supermarket.
Yes, we don't want to give the name out because everybody knows about it, and by now that brand should have taken us as brand ambassadors. But oh God, they haven't approached us yet. Too bad for them. So he spotted me there with a mask, and ये अपने एक दोस्त के साथ थे वहाँ पर, closest friend of his, Zoeb, and they spotted me and he said to Zoeb कि बहुत खाना है ना. So Zoeb said हाँ लग तो वही रही है और वो मुझे जानती है because during Zangura, when I was doing Zangura, they were all Shama troop, right? They were all instructors. So Zoeb claimed that he knows me, so he got excited saying, oh, let me just take Zoeb's name loudly. And
so
maybe
you know, I can start the conversation if she says, oh hi Zoeb, how are you, and I jump into it.
Wow.
But nothing happened.
ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. मैंने इनको कोई attention नहीं दिया because I didn't know.
Gauahar being Gauahar.
No. Gauahar being
No, she
Gauahar.
didn't even notice me.
I'll tell you what.
But did you call your friend out that time loudly?
Yeah.
So many times.
It's like Zoeb.
Million times.
Malta क्या होता है? Malta ये वाला. Apparently he's told me now, and his Zoeb has also told me this, that he tried everything to get my attention. And me being me, because see, my mom had taught me बचपन से, because she had 4 girls, कि अपनी नजर नीचे रखो और अपना काम करके निकल जाओ.
इतनी नजर नीचे थी कि ट्रॉली मेरे पैर पे मार दिया, इतना भी नहीं पता था.
It's true. I actually backed the trolley, and I remember that.
She said sorry, but she didn't look and say sorry. She's like sorry, and she went. इतनी नजर नीचे
And
थी.
I remember that when he finally told me, that day I was like, oh God, yeah, I hit you with the trolley. So anyway, so उस दिन तो मुलाकात नहीं, निगाहें नहीं मिली, कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. But he DM'd me on Instagram 3 days later, and I saw
Not
that.
the same day, huh?
Not the same.
3 days later.
Yeah.
Even I was thinking, should I? Shouldn't.
You told me you weren't even thinking at all.
I was actually not thinking. And then suddenly, it just clicked. Oh, I met her there. Malo, I didn't meet her there, but
I saw her there.
I saw her there, yeah. तो वो होता है ना ऐसे दिमाग में आता रहता है, आंखें आ रही है,
white mask
आ रहा है, white t-shirt आ रहा है.
Yeah.
So
finally he messaged.
Yeah.
And I'm very good with responding, to my fans and everything. So I check the open ones and the not open ones. And as I said, I know this name. So what does he want? So that he said, I have something very important to tell you. Okay. And I was like, that is such a vague and wide.
No hi, nothing. Huh?
Nothing.
Oh, no hi.
Nothing.
Directly that.
People start talking, hey, I need to tell you this, right? I was like, I have to tell you something very important.
And nothing else. And I was like, shit, now kya? What is the secret he knows about me, or what is happening? It was like, I know what you did last summer. It was that. and I didn't open it that day. I opened it the next day and I said, yeah. Hi, yeah. Like, yeah with a question mark. and he said, "You're very beautiful. It was important to tell you."
Oh.
And I was like, "Woo! What just happened here?" And conversation hua, and third line was something about, I said, "You're pretty like smooth or whatever," but I know because he was in Shamak or he was an instructor. I don't know why I had a vague idea, and I was like, he said something. He's like, "How old are you?" You asked me first, so I asked.
No
you.
age.
Nothing.
I directly said, "Don't get married."
Yeah. Oh yeah, sorry. The third line was,
I have no
"Hey,
idea
you know
why I
what?
said
Don't
that.
get married."
What?
My third line was,
Yeah.
Yeah, knowing him for the last 2-3 times I've met him,
You don't expect.
Yeah.
Even I can't expect, I'm telling
Even
you.
he can't expect.
I am telling you. I just said, I don't know.
Don't get married.
Yeah. No, hey, listen. No, nothing like that.
No, I'm talking.
No,
He
Mother,
said,
I
"Don't
don't
get
know.
married." And I was like, ha. Anyway, यहाँ पर कुछ चल नहीं रहा जिंदगी में. Now you're praying that I don't get married. Anyway, you have a good sense of humor or something like that. And I was like, this is very childish. Like something like that. And I said, "How old are you?" And he said something. He lied to me about his age.
I
He
lied.
lied 4 years younger.
Because
even younger.
I didn't know what was her age.
Yeah, he didn't know, and he didn't think that I was whatever in my 30s plus or whatever. And
So I thought I should not even say my real age.
he went 4 years younger than what he is already. So I was like, no chance.
Wrong move.
Wrong move. Don't flirt with me or anything like that. Just keep walking, Zaid Darbar. Yeah.
She didn't say anything. I don't flirt at all.
Yeah.
Because I wasn't flirting.
He wasn't flirting.
I
But
wasn't
in my
flirting.
head, I'm thinking all this. So I didn't say anything of that sort. But I was in my mind thinking, oh my God, he's such a child, whatever. Because he said he's much younger than what he actually is, yeah. And fifth line again, but listen, don't get married. I was like, he's up to something. Anyway,
But trust me,
conversations.
I had no idea
He had no idea.
that I'm even going to meet her
Or
or
be
talk
friends,
to her
because
or
I
be
was in
friends.
Pune that time. My dad was in the hospital and I was in Pune. And we just had conversations, and one thing led to another. He came to me when my dad was in the hospital to just check on me in the time of lockdown when it was not even allowed, and he took special permission and all of that.
Wow.
And and that's how it began.
So, which month was this? Do you remember?
Yeah, of course. July.
July. But we have to thank Instagram. Listen, there are so many couples I think that are made out of Instagram. Sushmita Sen, Roman Shawl, they have also had a similar.
I have never.
Nick and Priyanka,
Same,
Twitter.
yeah.
Oh.
Social media, yeah.
Seriously?
But can I tell you something? I have never been on a dating app ever.
I trust you with that.
What's a dating app?
Like when people swipe left, swipe
No,
right.
but I don't think so anybody's there.
No, John.
There are a lot of people.
A lot of people are.
Oh,
My
This
friends.
generation especially.
My friends always said, God, a fake profile bana ke dal denge. You never know, you meet a nice guy. You know what I'm saying? And I was like, how can...
Seriously?
Yeah. Preeti's told me so many times, you put some other person's photo, but at least if you like somebody, go, and then they'll show up and say, oh my God, it's Gauahar Khan. And I have never been on a dating app. And imagine the first DM I get.
You're married to the person.
Yeah.
She told me, for the longest time when I spoke to you guys and I've known her and you, I felt both of you are like chalk and cheese, but she told me that you guys are extremely similar.
We're very similar.
We are very similar.
Yeah. Especially I think in the thought processes, if I'm not wrong.
In our values, in what's
Value, thought
important.
process, masti, everything.
Yeah. See, I told you must.
Yeah. Goofy. That too, that I could see.
Yeah.
But I felt that he's calmer.
He's very calm. He's very calm, but
I'm
he's
calm,
a masti
but
khor.
with her, I'm a different person.
Yeah.
But when you decided that you're going to take it to the next level, who were the ones you spoke to first, and how did your families react to it?
I had no clue he was going to propose to me because it happened in 1 month of
No.
knowing me.
So how it happened? Even I couldn't talk to anyone about God, of course. I was thinking अभी किसको बोलूँगा बोले या झूठ बोल रहे हैं. Especially my brother, my sibling. So I didn't tell them also. And I told her as well when we started talking. I told her that I don't think so I'll be able to tell them because they'll start laughing at me.
Yeah, I think the first member I met was Anam, his sister.
Yeah.
Called her in the parking lot saying, "Niche aa jao." They were
Yeah, they looked at me. Oh.
oh, इससे मिलाना. And he's trying to be like, yeah, we're friends.
We were friends.
We were friends only.
We were friends only. But it was just that I wanted to talk to her, get to know her. ऐसे सबको बोल देना मुझे नहीं लगता है कि बोल के फिर
थोड़ा प्रेशर भी हो जाता है.
प्रेशर नहीं, प्रेशर मेरे my family is not that kind.
No, not that.
और वैसे भी टाइम ही नहीं हुआ था ना. It was just 1 month of us knowing each other. And then how did you do it, Janu? On my birthday? Like what? No, don't give the whole thing out. But who did you tell?
I just told my entire family. Entire family was, are you sure? What are you saying? Matlab,
You want to propose?
no, not propose. Like, are you sure you want to get married to her, marry her? Only my brother was saying, if you're sure, go ahead.
Yeah.
You don't have to think about anything.
And he never usually advises him like that.
Aave is different. Aave says, I'm still trying a trial ball on you.
Yeah. But now our trial ball has worked.
It worked, yeah. Yeah, it worked.
Touchwood, it will work for lifetimes, yeah. You know, coming to the wedding, I want to talk about the wedding because we have not seen much from you know the ceremonies. Which was your favorite ceremony and why? Like
Nikah.
Nikah was beautiful.
The moment we speak about Nikah, we feel like crying.
Yeah, magic.
I heard that you cried in your.
Cried, yeah.
I cried as well. Both of us were crying, and we were behind a parda, so none of us knew that we were crying. But okay, so here's
She's getting water. I knew she would cry.
Yeah. It was just the best moment in my life. I couldn't ever imagine for a better moment. You're also crying.
I'm not crying.
Liar.
I'm not crying. The light is on my face.
No, yeah, both of them are crying.
I'm not crying. I'm just looking at your eye. It's just.
When you look at me crying, you will cry, Ranu. Oh God.
Even he's crying by the way.
Don't know. Am I? I don't know. But yeah, even if I look at people crying, I have tears. Not many people at your positions would, you know, risk that.
Yeah.
What went through your mind? Like, of course, you guys were super confident of each other, which is why you took it. But were there people who said that, you know, maybe why don't you wait it out a few more months?
Sure, they did. Even his family was like, "Kya jaldi hai?" And I was like, there were questions even from my side saying that, you know, are you completely sure, God?
Yeah.
But those are basic questions. I think both of us got to know each other through such a tough time now.
Yeah.
My dad was in the hospital and it was a serious thing. And he saw me through my worst. He saw me getting hyper in the hospital when my dad was going through. He heard everything. I got to know him when I came here more because, you know, I figured him out in person. And we've had fights, we've had disagreements, we know how we react with each other. So we know each other's worst sides, good sides, and the fact of the matter is, even in the future, no matter what comes, something really ugly may come up, something whatever, we know that we together can work on that and get past it. Because none of us give up. We've not given up on life. He's exactly like me. He is so responsible towards his family. His family tells me, ये हम सबको एक साथ लेके चलता है. I'm like, oh shit, that is me. He's very responsible. I'm like, oh shit, that is me.
But he gives out that vibe. He gives out that vibe where he's like the responsible one. He'll take care of people.
But I have a different side with her.
Oh, yeah.
Like when I'm with her, I am a different person.
Like in what ways?
Like a responsible person would act different, right? Okay, ये मेरा boy.
Like a child.
हाँ, I want to
He gives in.
I mean, you know, I like it that way.
Yeah.
So I go like, हाँ, संभाल लेना, कर लेना. मैंने पैंट इधर फेंक दिया, please उठा लेना.
Yeah.
But what about the fights? Who is the one who picks up the fights and who is the one who makes up first? Matlab, I have a sudden guess in my head.
I
want to hear you.
No, I want to hear him first.
Okay, you say, huh?
Because Gauahar and I are similar, I take it on myself. I think I pick fights and the other person makes up.
No, it's different.
It's opposite. Wow.
I'm telling you, with Zaid, I am my calmest best. Like, I have understood him and he has understood me. Outside world, he'll probably handle it better. With me, he knows he can take the leeway of, अगर मेरे साथ यहाँ कुछ चल रहा है ना, तो it's okay if I give a reaction to you, which is fine. But in that moment, I've understood him so well. Na? I know he's giving me a reaction for no reason. So then I'll be like, I'll make a puppy face or something. I'll be like, what baby? हाँ, but like मैंने अभी से बोला ना. Okay. And he'll go away. In 2 minutes, he'll realize that Bechari. And this, who's taught me? He's taught me this. I'll tell you why. Because earlier, I would sit and explain. But Zaid, I'm trying to tell you this. but that explanation irritates him more.
Yeah.
But मैंने बोला ना, he'll never yell ever. His voice is only one tone.
I won't yell.
My voice will go up, but his voice will not go up at all. When it goes up, it's कहर खत्म.
कभी हुआ ऐसा? But
एक बार शायद. But he.
मुझे याद भी.
हाँ मुझे याद है. हाँ तो so he told me once, he's like, Gauahar, you are right, but in that moment don't give me explanation. I will realize it in 2 minutes and come back and say something else which you'll understand that I've realized it's my mistake. Like, yeah, but I won't say it's your mistake. So then he'll come and say, okay, theek hai, okay.
That is quite surprising to me, though.
But see, he's saying it himself.
Yeah, I do. I
but
tell you
with only him, if you see me with other people,
me also with other people, I'm different.
Very different, yeah.
But I want to know, when was the last time that you fought, and what was it about?
We don't fight.
We don't
No
fight.
argument.
2 days ago, when we were on some other shoot.
Set. No?
Yeah, we were on some other proper
We
shoot,
entered
like a
the
brand.
set very bad. Like my face was.
But why?
No fault of mine.
Yeah.
Sir was irritated about something else, which was genuine,
Genuine.
but comes out on me. So when I came, all I had to tell him, we were all ready. He got irritated. He came back.
I was sitting for 3 hours doing nothing. And
1.5 hours. You went for hair and all. Don't lie.
so I'm counting since
No,
I
no.
got up.
That's your utility time. हाँ, कुछ भी.
That's my hours, yeah. So I got up
खुद
from
का
there.
hair
I'm
makeup
counting.
करके आ गए and 3 घंटे. No. He was waiting for 1 hour max while my clothes.
And this is not a
everything-
call,
Yeah.
which was important. So I had to go out and talk. And I was talking just a minute.
And the client came in that moment, said ready on set. And we needed to wrap the shoot early. So I was like, यार चलो अभी ही खत्म करना है तो चलो चलते हैं. अभी में क्या? Anyway, so वो हुआ 2 सेकंड के लिए. All I had to tell him this. ठीक है चलो अभी चलो.
But
Started-
no mood at all. And you know, the shoot was एकदम ऐसे कि you have to be very lovey-dovey.
We didn't have to be.
No, not
it
have
was
to be,
about
but,
us
but
only.
it was
Yeah.
about us. So, talking about
But how was the shoot there?
Amazing.
5
Because the
minutes we were
moment we
fine.
sat,
She did like this.
yeah.
Very smart.
But you know, Gauahar, one thing that I want to discuss, and your story is very similar to Priyanka Chopra's marriage story.
Yeah.
There was an age gap there.
Yeah.
There's an age gap here. And I don't know why, but women are the ones who are always subjected to a lot of trolling when there's an age gap.
Yeah.
Do you face that? How do you handle it? Initially, when it was happening, was it ever getting to you?
So when we
Did it ever
just
get-
started
That's
featuring
first
together, because we were hardly dating for any time, there was a lot of confusion on, because one stupid article was written on a vague number. It was written 12-year gap.
Yeah, that was wrong.
Which is wrong. And I called up that person and said, अगर आपको लिखना ही है तो आप पूछ लो ना कितना एज गैप है. सही नंबर लिख लो तो क्या फर्क पड़ जाएगा. आपको बढ़ा चढ़ा के लिखना है, that's up to you.
मतलब literally half ऊपर बढ़ा.
Yeah, literally. And it didn't affect us, but every headline was only
headline.
about that. अपने से 12 साल
And
छोटे
headline,
लड़के.
ना? Headline.
And 12 साल है भी नहीं भाई, 7 साल है. आपको
6 साल.
6 साल है, मतलब 6.5 between. I was like, even if it's 6, 7, 12,
Yeah, it doesn't matter
14,
though.
if it's 14, 18,
It doesn't matter. I
that's
know.
what
I
I'm
know it
saying.
doesn't matter, but still.
How does it matter? If a man is allowed to marry a woman who is
Yeah.
probably 14 or 15
Absolutely,
years younger,
Yeah.
why is a woman not allowed that? Or why is it questioned then?
I don't know what culture this is.
And sexism. It is sexism. But honestly, we didn't get affected. I got affected with the headlines, because anything that it becomes a description of what your relationship is.
Yeah.
But only one.
Initially, not now anymore. But even on my wedding day, wedding day, there were
Stories.
few media houses that thrive on news like this. Wrote the headline as अपने से 12 साल छोटे, which is fine. 12 या 13, 15 कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. सही नंबर लिख लोगे तो शायद आपको ही जर्नलिज्म में थोड़ी क्रेडिट मिल जाएगा आपको. It's sad that people, only when a woman is older, they try and say, oh, and then not just one way, they'll also think about, oh, is the man marrying this one? Oh, but there must be something in this. अरे यार, जियो और जीने दो, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? And but I'm glad, like 99% of people loved the fact that they could actually see true love and not some hidden agenda behind something, and that's what we care about.
Thank you. I will move on to my next segment on that note, and I'm sure you're going to love it.
Yay!
So we are back with Gauahar and Zaid for a second segment, which is called Limelight Lab Grown Diamonds presents She Said Yes. So here is, I've got a special gift for you, okay. But I'm going to give it to you only on one condition.
What is the condition?
मुझे जानना है कि proposal का story क्या?
Oh my God.
How did he propose? Did you propose? Did you propose first of all?
Second. Only for you, the gift.
But Janu, I'm your gift.
Yeah.
Still,
What was the line that you said? मेरे दुआओं का yeah.
You remember that line? Oh.
अब उसके सामने मैं क्या ही गिफ्ट दूँ?
है ना? जैसा डायमंड कहाँ मिलेगा जानू?
But yeah, who proposed?
Of course I proposed.
Of course, I thought.
Thank God.
This was within 1 month, no?
One
Yeah.
month, yeah.
And वो होता है ना यार, अगर proposal हो तो ऐसा होना चाहिए, ऐसा होना चाहिए. वो दिमाग में चलता है ना, from right when you're from a teen and you're thinking, will someone go down on one knee for me and all of that? Huh? All of those ticks, those blocks were ticked for me, and I was like, oh my God, oh, this is
happening.
Where did you do this? Did you plan it?
I planned with my entire family.
After 1 month of knowing me, by the way, just putting that, underlining that fact. That's how amazing I am.
कुछ ऐसे खास नहीं था.
नहीं,
it was just very filmy. It was very filmy. I mean, it was her birthday, and then I had kept a blue theme,
which I had no idea about.
Which she had no idea. But I told her to wear blue. So what happened? We planned before, of course, she was coming. Me, always my entire family. तो धमशराज में जैसे होता है ना कि हिंदी, इंग्लिश जो भी होता है, we started planning कि कैसे करे. तो आया धमशराज में कर सकते.
नगमा से.
Yeah, I mean everybody.
Suggestions
चल रहे थे. नगमा साइड के धमशराज में you can propose. तो मैं बोला कैसे? So I was sitting and there was this.
So everybody said धमशराज खेलेंगे आज, धमशराज खेलेंगे. Everybody is coming and telling me this, huh? And they all know that I love games. Like you know, I love games. Yeah. मुझे games खेलना बहुत. I'm like I'll be like that.
Full planning, सब.
In that excitement, I haven't even realized 2 teams बटे हैं. हमारी टीम में 4 लोग हैं. सामने वाली टीम में 12. I haven't even realized it because I'm so in Josh. All I cared about Zaid is in my team. That's all I cared about.
Then what happened? So it was like पहले उनकी टीम से एक आएगा, फिर दूसरा मैं जाऊँगा और I'll do something. बोल दूँगा मैं. I was so nervous. Trust me, I couldn't even think what do I have to do. जबकि पूरा प्लान हो गया था, रिहर्सल हो गया था, सब हो गया था. तो मैंने पीछे से इशारा कर दिया, I can't go. The second round was me. So I said,
I cannot go. If you see the video, it's the funniest video ever because you will see Gauahar
I'm telling her, let me upload it on YouTube.
No, I will not.
You have to show it to me.
I'll show it to you separately. So I'm like this, huh? Yeah, come on. Oh, this one. Oh, that one. And Zaid over here is pale.
Pale.
He's red eyes, pale, fever.
I don't know how I was so nervous.
That's psychogenic fever.
Yeah, fever. And I'm touching his forehead like,
I had a fever by the way.
And I'm thinking, COVID चल रहा है, बुखार चल रही है, क्या हो गया? And I'm telling his mom, आंटी प्लीज क्रोसिन मिलेगी क्या? क्रोसिन आंटी सर में नहीं बेटा, उसका बर्थडे गिफ्ट नहीं लाया ना आपके लिए, इसलिए वो नर्वस हो रहा है.
Bad actor.
Yeah. Like इतना नर्वस हो रहा है, क्या हो गया इतना? Anyway, क्रोसिन लेके भी आए. I fed him the क्रोसिन also. In the game, I'm going, eat. Okay, let's play. This is what's happening.
Then finally I had to come, of course.
After many turns, many rounds.
So I had to go there to their team. और वो लोग बोलते हैं ना कान में मूवी हुई, तो सिर्फ एक्ट करना था और जाके रिंग लेनी थी मुझे. So I went there and I took the ring. Why I had to take the ring? Because I had to come there and I had to say, okay.
The movie was मुझसे शादी करो.
I started doing full drama. Okay.
And I'm thinking,
3 word है,
Hindi, 3 words, okay. And only Anshara, his cousin is sitting next to me and trying to guess also to make it look authentic. Yeah.
Then she said, no, you only say because you know.
Okay, I'll say it next time. So the thing was, mujhse shaadi karogi. I'm like, come on, baby, you can do it. And if you see the video, it's so funny. I'm more interested in the cake, So everyone's expression is like, and I'm going, mujhse, and I'm eating cake, okay? And later everyone like, kitna cake kha rahi? I love cake, by the way. So I'm like, okay, he's doing. So I'm saying, mera, mere liye. I'm doing all of that, and suddenly I say, mujhe. So he's like, mujhe. He's like extended. So I'm saying, mujh mein, mujh whatever, and she got so fed up of this. She's saying, mujhse. So I'm like,
she knew.
Yeah. So I'm like, mujhse, and he's like, हाँ. So I went, मुझसे दोस्ती करोगी? And he's like, yeah. I'm like, yeah. And he's like, no. पीछे जाओ.
I was so nervous. I said, नहीं, सही नहीं बोला. कुछ गलत बोल दिया उन्होंने.
So he's like, पीछे जाओ. So I'm like, मुझसे? He's saying yes. I'm like, शादी? He's saying yes. I'm like, करोगी. So the moment I said करोगी, his team, like all his friends and everybody, कब जवानी, वो गाना शुरू हो गया. So I'm thinking, oh God, I'm so embarrassed. His mom is here. I'm thinking कि मुझे छेड़ रहे हैं ना. So I've
went
laughed.
like that full inside.
I have laughed and I've gone ha, and I'm not opening my face.
And I got the best time because I removed the ring from my
And
pocket.
he's on his knee by then.
How nice. Listen, this is perfect.
And I opened my eyes and I saw him and I was like, oh God.
I'm there only, huh? Acha, take. We say something.
For 3 minutes he's there and I'm only crying. I can visualize. So his Anam says, yes or no? I said yes.
But just because your Dil Se Dil Ka connection has reached me and I love you both, so I have a special gift for you. It's special for a reason, I'm telling you.
Yeah.
So there is a diamond ring from Limelight Lab Grown Diamonds, specially made and created for you.
Wow.
So the reason I'm saying it's special is because, you know, unlike other diamonds, this is not mined.
Wow.
And it's absolutely real.
Wow.
It's made in a lab and you don't waste water, you don't screw up the land to get this.
Yeah.
It's a homegrown technology and made in India.
Wow.
And this special piece has been curated just for you.
Wow,
Thank you,
that's
Limelight. Like we say, we will hold our hands and enter Jannat together,
No,
inshallah.
but it looks really pretty.
It's so lovely. Thank you, Limelight. We love it. I love that. And I'm so happy that this was lab grown. Oh my God, it's stunning.
But did you ever hear about sustainable jewelry and sustainable diamonds?
I hadn't, not before this. So thanks for introducing me to it. And this is a very special gift. Thank you very much. I love it. And it's all about love.
Yeah, it is. It is. And I always felt that, you know, G, I love you a lot. And you know it. And you love me a lot. Like, I get a lot of love from you. And this was my special way of saying thanks.
Thank you.
Mid-interview, this has happened for the first time. We are not cutting it.